we do is we manage dust. The group of companies was actually founded in 1950. It was founded by my grandfather and some partners. From 1950, we were just really an engineering company. So when the company was actually started, they didn't really have a core business. So Mideco is mechanical, industrial, domestic engineering company. All encompassing, we can do anything. Then this concept of contaminated air come along. Somewhere in the late 50s, we actually got exposed to the issues of dust. With regard to managing dust, there's sort of two main approaches we have. One is actually prevent the dust from entering the environment. The other major approach is actually protect people from dust. So our first signature product was actually Burnley baffles. So most companies, or the traditional way to do it, was move large quantities of air in the hope that you would get the dust that was actually being generated. But Burnley baffles allowed us to actually totally take control of the area that was creating the dust. Once we had control of the area that was creating the dust, we could manage that dust by using way less energy. And we actually achieve 100% success, which you can't achieve with the traditional approach. About 15 years ago, I started to look at actually protecting people from dust and really evolving the business away from these big projects into more products. And that was where the bat booth came from. We actually saw a great idea, that we commercialised the idea, and we made the device so that it was plug and play. People can buy it, ship it to site, drop it on the ground, plug it in. It's actually less difficult to plug in than your TV. So the bat vent was a product that really started to come around because we'd started to learn how to manage the really quite dangerous dusts. And we said the dangerous dust is not just at the work site, it actually floats and it permeates the whole environment. So we've got guys and girls sitting in enclosed environments that are near these dangerous areas. So what we said is, let's put them in a capsule that is safe, and the bat vent does that. With regard to the solutions that we provide, obviously the first thing we do is manufacture. Then we manufacture our different products. Then we also offer spare parts to all of the products that we've ever sold. We have all of our part numbers, we have everything. We know what we've sold and we can supply you the correct part. And then separate to that, we do service. So we will actually put those parts in if you require them. With regard to our involvement with the common good, charity that really caught our attention. They actually specialise in lungs, and they're developing things where they can basically look after lungs after damage is being done. So we're trying to prevent that damage from being done, but they're trying to protect lungs as well. So we actually have this common goal of protecting people's lungs out there in the workplace. So that's what we do. If you've got a dust problem and you're looking to solve it, we offer leading edge technologies in what you might call the traditional areas, which is protecting space. We also offer the bat products, which we know we're the absolute market leaders on. If you're in that space and you've got that problem, we are the first call you should make.